Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Callaway Golf Men's Straight-A Set. The Callaway Men's Straight-A Set is a very affordable club set for beginners. It includes everything you need to get out on the course: a bag, a driver, a 3-wood, a 5 hybrid, 6 to 9 irons, a pitching wedge, and a mallet putter designed for forgiveness. Keep in mind that the 12-piece doesn't mean 12 clubs, but 9 clubs, 2 head covers for the woods, and 1 bag. Driver has a 460cc club head with a larger sweet spot and graphite shaft for more distance off the tee. The 3-wood promotes faster swing speeds and long shots. 5 hybrid is designed for versatility and forgiveness on shots where you would usually hit a difficult long iron. 6 to 9 irons, pitching wedge and sand wedge have perimeter weighting and progressive sole width technology for improved control. Mallet putter with alignment to help give you incredible accuracy. Lightweight, durable golf stand bag combines a cool authentic look, 5 convenient pockets, and an easy to carry back strap. Number 2 in this best golf clubs for beginners list is Wilson Men's Complete Golf Club. You might want to consider the steel shafts instead of graphite. Graphite shafts can significantly improve distance for beginners with lower swing speed. Using steel shafts from early days can indeed help beginners to get used to feedback and responses. We feel that this Wilson Complete Golf set can especially be suitable for beginners with naturally high swing speed. The steel shaft can help you control your tempo. Complete Golf Set includes premium components, advanced materials and the latest technologies. 460cc driver features large sweet spot and aerodynamic design to improve head speed and deliver greater distance. Deep, undercut stainless steel cavity back irons are precision engineered for longer, straighter shots. Lightweight, premium carry bag features adjustable shoulder straps, rugged handle top, numerous pockets and self-activating stand. Scoring clubs features very low weighting for better greenside control and improved shot making. Our third choice is Precise M3 Men's Golf Clubs. The Precise M3 Complete Set offers a full complement of clubs, great for beginning golfers who need a strong foundational set to build around. The set features 3 woods, 5 irons, a putter, and a high-quality stand bag. The woods begin with a 460cc driver that delivers a punch with high launch. Although the driver's loft is set at 10.5 degrees, beginners should find that it is easy to hit. 2 other woods, a 15-degree 3-wood and 21-degree hybrid, round out the wood section of the collection. The 3-wood offers a low profile with a wide hitting area. From the fairway, the 3-wood does an admirable job of lifting the ball with carry. The Precise M3 package is a full set with a great combination of distance and forgiveness right out of the box. The aerodynamic design on the woods combined with the ultra-forgiving irons makes it easier to hit straighter shots on the course. The golf bag includes a grab handle for an even easier way to move your clubs around. Fourth pick in this best golf clubs for beginners list is Callaway Maverick Max Iron. The Callaway Maverick Max is the best solution to your query. The Maverick series from Callaway is gaining much popularity among golfers for their outstanding performance. The Maverick irons are made of graphite and offer both steel and graphite shaft options. But the loft angle is fixed. You can own the irons individually or you can buy a set of irons. This Maverick Max irons features a larger shape, wider soles, and a deeper CG for even more forgiveness and an easier launch. The use of artificial intelligence in golf clubs has worked brilliantly for Callaway. Using AI, Callaway has introduced some revolutionary technology to produce golf clubs according to the user demand. These features made this iron stand out from the rest. With Maverick, we're using artificial intelligence for the first time in an iron. Ball speed is further enhanced by our 360 face cup that flexes and releases at impact. For details, let's watch more.
Callaway Golf, here to tell you about the all-new Maverick Irons family. Callaway has been the #1 iron brand in golf for over 5 years and counting because we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Now, for the first time, we've used AI to create irons, and the result will blow you away. Our Maverick irons feature new flash-based cup technology designed using artificial intelligence to create a unique base structure for every loft throughout the set. By using a specific design for each iron, we've added a significant boost in ball speed in the long irons, speed and spin control in the mid irons, and spin and launch control in the scoring clubs. The Maverick iron features our tungsten energy core with a tungsten-infused weight that allows us to precisely position the center of gravity to optimize launch conditions for each iron. And don't worry, these irons have amazing feel thanks to our urethane microsphere technology. The combination of the new flash base cup, tungsten energy core, and urethane microspheres creates a total performance package for amazing feeling shots that launch on a strong, consistent flight and land softly on the green. Maverick Max irons have a confidence-inspiring shape with wider soles and a lower CG position that makes them super easy to hit. Add in the Max Loft package, and you've got the perfect recipe for extremely forgiving, high-flying performance. Max irons are available in either the KBS Max Steel shafts or the Project X Catalyst graphite shafts, both wrapped in the Tour Velvet 360 soft grip. If you want the most advanced iron technology from the #1 iron brand in golf, then the Maverick irons.
Our fifth and last choice is Callaway Women's Strata Golf Set. This golf club set is for the ladies planning to start playing golf. The set has 3 variations: 16 club set, 14 club set, and 11 club set. If you are looking for a club providing maximum distance, the Women's Strata Complete set is for you. The combination of distance, forgiveness, and easy hitting system makes the set unique for beginner lady golfers. You are going to have 7 clubs in this package, which include a driver, 5 wood, 7 and 9 irons, and a mallet putter. You are also getting a sand wedge in this package, and that's very appreciating. Finally, don't forget about the 5 hybrid in this set. The driver and 3 would have graphite shafts with large sweet spots. So, mishits are not punished. You get the clubs very lightweight that can create maximum impact on hits. The irons and the sand wedge have perimeter weighted club heads for more complex shot making. You can use the hybrid for hitting shots that you are not comfortable hitting with irons.